next up we have a question saying, what's going on with Nikola?
Oh,
NKLA.
this is so funny. Yo, we talked about how I thought this company was the biggest finesse ever because of the GM. They gave 11% stake to GM, and that's what caused this move. And they gave him an 11% stake. Nothing. They didn't pay him any cash. They just kind of gave him for their, structure, their internal structures, their supply chain, business know-how, all those things. They didn't get any cash out of it. The next day, Hindenburg Research comes out with this crazy short seller report where it's like things like, all right, so their Nikola 1 video. So they were towing their first Nikola 1 semi truck. The video was it just cruising down the hill, and it looked good. It looked really good. So then they came out, and Hindenburg Research was like, well, we actually found out that they were just towing it to the top of hills and letting it roll down the hills. And they had hundreds of claims like that. So the stock sells off the next 3 days, and over the weekend they come out with their rebuttals to the claims, and they're like, Nikola 2 is on track, Nikola 3 is on track, Q4 2021. We still have all these things. We still have all these purchase agreements in place, Anheuser-Busch, all these things. But we never said that the car was moving on its own in the video. Why would we say, how could, if you're watching a car commercial and the thing is cruising downhill, obviously you think it's propelling itself down the hill. Yeah. So obviously this company's super shady. And so they bounced today because, CEO is buying stock and all these things. But then SEC, you can see it's down 8% after hours. SEC just announced a formal investigation. So this is just getting underway. It's going to be pretty crazy to watch.
Good. That's hilarious. I saw the first video I saw. Well, it rolled on the hill, but I never see the rebuttal yet.
So yeah, they came out we never claimed that it was propelling itself down the hill, and it's like, it was the whole commercial.